Good day, my dear students. I am here, Teacher John, and I will be going to discuss introduction to measurements. There are two standardized systems of measure at present. We have the customary system and the metric system. The customary system is used to be called the English system until England adopted the metric system. This system evolved from non-standard units of measure. Let's start with converting units of measure in the customary system. So, US customary units, we have this following table. The first table is for length. 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. 1 mile is equal to 1,760 yards. For weight, we have 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds. Capacity, we have 1 cup is equal to 8 fluid ounces. 1 pint is equal to 2 cups. 1 quart is equal to 2 pints. And 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. For time, we have 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 week is equal to 7 days. 1 year is equal to 52 weeks. 1 year is equal to 12 months rather. 1 year is equal to 365 days. So how to convert US customary units? So let's have an example. Convert 3 yards to inches. Since 1 yard is equal to 12 inches, to convert that, copy 3 yards times, okay, so since we need to change yard to inches, all we need to do is to place 1 yard at the denominator and 12 inches at the numerator. So we have here 12 inches over 1 yard. So we can now cancel yards. So 3 times 12 is equal to 36. Then copy the unit, which is inches. So our 3 yards is equal to 36 inches. Let's try another example. Example number 2. Convert 2 years to months. Since 1 year is equal to 12 months, copy 2 years times, since that is years, we need to place 1 year to the denominator and 12 months at the numerator. So cancelled out. 2 times 12, we have 24. Then copy the unit, which is months. So 2 years is equal to 24 months. Next, example number 3. Convert 2,500 pounds to tons. 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds. Copy 2,500 pounds times, since that is pounds, we need to copy the unit with pounds. So we will place 2,000 pounds at the denominator and then 1 ton at the numerator. So 2,000 cancelled out pounds. We have 2,500 times 1 is equal to 2,500 divided by 2,000. We have 1.25. Copy the unit. So our answer is therefore 2,500 pounds is equal to 1.25 tons. Next, let's proceed in converting units of measure in the metric system. We have length. Using this table, we have 1 kilometer, which is equal to 1,000 meter. 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter. 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter. 1 decimeter is equal to 0.1 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 meter. And 1 millimeter is equal to 0.001 meter. So how do we convert using this table? So convert 320 meters to centimeters. So since we need to change meters to centimeter, look at the unit centimeter. Okay, we have here centimeter to meter. Okay, so we will use this conversion. So copy 320 meters times, since we have meters there, our denominator to be used is 0.01 meter. The numerator is 1 centimeter. So cancel. 320 times 1, we have 320 divided by 0.01, we have 32,000 centimeter. Another example, convert 34 hectometers to centimeters. The first thing to do, look at the table. Do we have a conversion from hectometer to centimeter? Okay, so we don't have a direct conversion from hectometer to centimeter. So first thing to do, we need to look at the table for hectometer. So we have here hectometer going to meter. Okay, so we have there meter. So since we have hectometer to meter, we can use that. Next, do we have meter to centimeter? Okay, we have meter to centimeter. So we have there. So we have two conversion times. So we will convert that 2 times. So let's start first with 34 hectometer times. So we will use hectometer to meter first. So since that is hectometer, our denominator is 1 hectometer. So 100 meter over 1 hectometer. Since that is meter, and we need to change that to centimeter, we will proceed to the next conversion, times. Okay, since that is meter, okay, we will divide, or the denominator is 0.01 meter. So, numerator is 1 centimeter. Then, cancel hectometer. Then, cancel meter. Then, proceed. 34 times 100 is 3,400 times 1 is 3,400 divided by 0.01, the answer is 340,000 centimeter. Next, we have for weight, convert 5 gram to decagram. So we have decagram to gram. So 5 gram, since that is gram, our denominator is the 10 gram. The numerator is 1 decagram. So 5 times 1 is equal to 5 divided by 10. We have 0.5 decagram. Next, I will teach you how the other way in converting metric system using the metric converter. So we have here this line. We have kilo, hecto, deca, the unit. For unit, we can use meter, meter for length, gram for weight, and liter for capacity, deci, centi, and milli. So, for meter, we have kilometer, km, hecto, hectometer, decagram, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. So, how do we use this? So, for meter, for length, okay, convert 320 meters to centimeters. So, all we need to do is to count the number of steps from meter to centimeter. Okay, so from meter going to centimeter, we will count. So 1, 2. We have 2 steps going to the right. Okay, so for going to the right, copy 320. Since 320, the decimal point of this whole number is located at the right part. Okay, so here. So we can find the decimal point at the rightmost part. So here. So we will count 2 steps. So 1, we have 1, 2. Okay, then we will add 2 zeros there. Okay, so after moving the decimal point, so our decimal point now is located here. So therefore, 320 meters is equal to 32,000 centimeter. Next, we have convert 34 hectometers to centimeters. So hectometer to centimeter, we will count now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps going to right. So therefore, copy 34 since the decimal point is here. So we will count from 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to add 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So therefore, 34 hectometers is equal to 340,000 centimeter. Now let's have another example. Convert 12 millimeter to decameter. So we have millimeter going to decameter. So we will count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times going to, 4 steps going to the left. So copy 12 since the decimal point is at the rightmost part. So we will count 4 steps or 4 steps going to left. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We will add 2 0 since the decimal point is here. We need to add point and another 0. So therefore, our answer is 0.0012 decameter. Next, we have for weight using gram. So we have kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, and milligram. So let's have an example. Convert 17 kilograms to gram. So from kilogram, we will count 1, 2, 3. 3 units. So 17 going to right. So 1, 2, 3. Add 1, 2, 3 zeros. So therefore, 17 kilogram is equal to 17,000 gram. Another example, convert 0.3 decigram to centigram. So decigram going to centigram. So from going to right, so we need to count 1. Okay, copy 0.3 since the decimal point is here. We will count 1 unit. So 1. Therefore, our answer is 3 centigram. 0.3 decigram is equal to 3 centigram. So that ends my lecture. I hope you learned something and you can now answer your quarter 2 module 1. Thank you.